go to most companies or you work with other programs or other training programs, they kind of give you a blanketed what they expect from you. But with this program, they give you exact outcomes. They give you exact details of what they want you to know, how they want you to do it, when they want you to know it by, and they give you the time and the ability and the mentors and the coaches to do that. We started off with a 1 month of in-class program, and there we covered everything from the absolute basics of terminology. What does surface finish mean? What does annealed mean? What are these terms used for? We covered trigonometry. We covered blueprint reading, GD&T, all sorts of things you really didn't know about until you kind of got into this program. So once we graduated from the actual class program, we moved on to the shop floor. It was the time to apply all of the theory we had learned in the class. So from learning how to press the buttons on a machine to actually physically doing it, it was like night and day. The theory is the basis for everything you do here, but having such a structured program with a mentor and a coach in the plant to walk you through every one of these learning outcomes is invaluable. I spent time with about 4 different people in specialized areas of the plant. I worked on manual milling, manual lathe with a machinist to develop those skills and abilities, as well as learning which tools to use for which application. Because when you're manually milling and you're manual machining, you see how those cutters cut. You see how those drills cut into the material and what's happening to that part when you're doing it. It's something you don't get without this structured program. But with this program, they give you exact outcomes. They give you exact details of what they want you to know, how they want you to do it, when they want you to know it by, and they give you the time and the ability and the mentors and the coaches to do that. Yeah, my coach came from the OMLC, fantastic gentleman, Peter Drews, tremendously knowledgeable. I couldn't believe how much he knew about absolutely everything in the industry. He's been in this industry for longer than I've been alive. His support actually really helped build my confidence and give me the tools to move forward. It was also fantastic to see that there was such an organization to help support and build and develop employees into something better, to move them from just being an operator into being something that you can be proud of and feel accomplished with. The other thing that this program does too is it really helps build your confidence. It really makes you comfortable operating the machines and fixing them and working with the parts. And it makes you proud at the end of it because you went from somebody who didn't know a whole lot about this part and about how to fix this into somebody who is confident in their job and knows what they're doing. And it's a great source of pride, a great sense of pride.